Hey, family! Have you ever wondered why a simple compliment makes you emotional? Or why hearing "I am proud of you" hits so hard even as an adult? It is not weakness, it's a wound. Because some of us grew up starving for words we were never given. And when love is never spoken, it doesn't just hurt, it shapes you. Today, we are talking about why emotional affirmation matters and how you can finally start speaking the love you never received. So, I welcome you to today's healing session. I am so glad you are here. If this is your first time catching me live, I am Omolola Adeyemo, a confidence strategist helping people who have lost their confidence growing up to rewire their confidence and walk into emotional wholeness. Let me know who you are and where you are joining from. Put in the chat, "Oh, I see Grace. Welcome. Tell me where you are joining from." Oh, Confidence, you are welcome. Thank you. Can you please share this video with your friends and loved ones? Now, let them know we are live. Go ahead and share. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Let's dive right in. Today's topic is one that hits close to home. Why emotional affirmation matters. Let's be honest. Some of us are still living on the words we never heard. If this resonates already, type "I'm here" in the chat so I know you are tuning in and not just scrolling past. Go ahead and type it. Did you know that words create worlds? Yes, you heard me right. Your words create worlds. Now let's dissect this phrase. Words create worlds. When you hear "I love you," "I'm proud of you," "you matter," those aren't just sounds, they are seeds. Seeds that form your view of yourself, your worth, your capacity to be loved and to love. But what happens when those seeds are never planted? When instead of "you matter," you heard "be quiet." Instead of "I see you," you got silence. Research has it that emotional neglect can literally alter brain development in children. Why? Because the brain wires itself in response to connection and affirmation. Can I pause to ask you, what was one affirming phrase you wished someone said to you as a child? Drop it in the chat. Or if you're watching a replay, put it in the comments. Being unseen can create scars, which I term unseen but not unscarred. One of the hardest parts of emotional neglect is that it is invisible. No one slap is given, no insult is involved, just silence. And yet, that silence speaks. It communicates, "You are not worth noticing. Don't expect softness. You are on your own." Where I come from, they call it OYO, OYO. That is an acronym for "on your own." And over time, guess what happens? You start echoing that silence to yourself. You stop expecting love. You stop receiving compliments. You downplay your success. You overperform just to be noticed. And deep down, you wonder, am I lovable at all? Friends, if this is resonating, I want to say this to you right now, and I want you to believe it. You are worthy of love before you ever performed. I want to submit to you that healing begins with affirmations. So, how do we begin to heal when we never affirmed? How do we start building what was never given? Step 1. Name the need. You needed affirmation. You did not get it. That's not shameful. That's just the truth. So, say this out loud with me. I needed to be loved. I deserved to be affirmed, and I still do. Step 2. Speak to yourself. You may not have heard I love you growing up, but your inner child is still listening. You get to say it now. You get to reparent yourself with truth. Step 3. Practice it daily. Create an affirmation routine, not the fake toxic positivity kind, but true soul anchored words like I am loved. I am not a mistake. I matter even when I am not doing anything. In fact, I want you to drop your favorite affirmation in the chat right now. Go ahead and do that. Let's create a well of truth together. Now, here's your healing homework, and this one is powerful. I implore you to write a letter to your inner child. Talk to 5-year-old you or 10-year-old you. Tell them what they deserved to hear. Let me help you. You can start with, Dear little me, I'm sorry no one told you this, but. Then let the healing pour out. You don't need to post it, but if you feel led to share a line or two in the comments, do it. It might free someone else. In closing, let me encourage you. This healing journey we're on is not linear. Some days you will feel strong. Other days you will cry through the process. But I want you to remember this. It's not your fault you didn't hear I love you. But it's your time to believe it now. If today touched something in you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more healing, confidence, and soul work content, make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell. This is just the beginning. Remember, I love you and I mean that. And more importantly, God loves you deeply, completely, without condition. I'll see you next time for the next part of our Confidence Rewired series. Bye and have a wonderful day.